Winter is just turning to spring in the Outer Hebrides, off the west coast of Scotland. Picturesque scenes are a reminder that these islands will host a steady stream of holidaymakers in the warmer months to come. But right now, a team of islanders is heading off on a trip to the northwest coast of Ireland. In earlier times, the journey would have been by sea, hopping from island to island in an unbroken string of Gaelic-speaking communities. But now, Benbecula Airport offers a more convenient means of travel, which will see the team arriving in the similar-sized Donegal Airport just a few hours later on the same day. Among the team are Archie Campbell and Neil Campbell, both fluent Gaelic speakers raised on Benbecula. Both have also been closely involved in the Island Voices community project. This project has been making video and audio recordings of local people and placing them online for some time now. The idea is to help language learners, while at the same time building up an archive that paints a picture of life in the Hebrides through the actions and words of the residents. The project has attracted interest and earned recognition in both English and Gaelic teaching circles. And now the School of Irish at the University of Ulster has arranged for this team to visit a community project in the Donegal Gaeltacht. The aim of the visit is to introduce the project to members of the local community, to see if the same way of working could be used to support Irish language development. The venue for the meeting is Ranafast, a resource centre which is a new development in the area. It has been the focus of intense activity during the National Irish Language Week, with young and old coming together for various activities and competitions, including songs, poetry, art and storytelling. The first day of the workshop was spent mostly in discussion, but the second day was given over to some hands-on experience. First off, Ulster University's Eilean O'Donnell interviewed Brianna about the youth club and listened to a young member's recitation.
Mr. Brianna, could you have a go around a first and Jerry Shath in the show?
Well, chick mit le Eilean show a han tróna Jahine agus ní mit cursi sport agus Eilean agus mar it have been mit galar herish excel lafa hog mit cuartir soon ari mo farste agus vi mit jamien etch don the cracking er and agus 9 het well
Wo to hen duschen so kommer das
Is just agus is even Margin Hing Howry Da hier an erd Os ken Canal Gidor Am Bradang go solar La fecca Saniske agus an lof Ian agus an chainling Go she's Steve Gidor
Got a kid my head of true a slurtling and you for do the common oige Ranafast and Irish and Gaelic.
Then Neil Comer questioned the centre manager, E. McCrory, about the remarkable stonemasonry in the area.
Okay, could you more talk in Balach, Tassa got in Balach, talk all harder around the morning, and can't I talk with you?
Well, it's not Daiji to my jan, to grant it, or can do the claw Alice and debt, but the man got Dahi the shea. O harle der hart en glada tasha vi are dangu en shanvalach en is na jitcha shasel en ware agus nach mun narige da hier gihe hu en talle wat is het bussen balle klaje o hogal harter a choru en ei shin agus ramachis mission nis mollinas gevekimage finishe
This was followed by a trip to E's house and to the shore, so that the Ulster team could also try their hand at some more challenging documentary work. Not easy on a windy day.
Dus maar hebben kruier aan de wind, bare eren, rausjes, is just a clay, machine. Van kanalen halen shaw, kanalen shin. What I can show Sioiad na sianchlacha a hanig ymachas yn sianwalag tŷ a fi ar y leher yn sio. Yn ynad iad y wysad sfahania clocha dwchrai. Rwy'n mae hyn iad y hewar. Ac mae'r eich yn sif clocha y tantw a fi lew iarra, lew iaranta. Ac mae'r eich yn sif eich ta ac tíomh choráirig agus bhain mar is just tú le éid na tíineh seo ógar. Agus ó bhhaas an seo ríist feicteach muid an éid ar buine úsait as an orlais an cráéireann leis na chlátha a scáiltiú sa gheile. Maar ik kan de bonje just kajak is la balach morir. Tegen de shot. Oh yeah. De shot like low yente. I cheated doy wat je. Ja. Shani, I guess shani such a bit of balach na shinyamnach.
E also shows Neil the footbridge over the stream, built with stones cut with the crowbar in the same way. And Kiveen gets a close-up of the markings on the stones. Meanwhile, Neil and Archie offer some thoughts on what they've seen and heard.
Well, Shoshin in around the first dish, splayed with a gal and
shouldn't have found splayed, could you?
No, again, in your lilac and your eichach in the goal half stuff.
Yeah.
I think come on,
we moeten die even in de show hier to the steel wat we need en zo van. Maar daar maken tien mensen mensen dus. Ach, met maar torretje gedaan.
Was je niet tien gemaakt kollig is ski dat kan hier.
Mensen mensen na kun je goed. De hele jaar ook moer.
Haben wir wie geestjach kri baarstach geestjach schneiden geestjach den je kare als femte terug wie gemaakt kere geestjach. Maar toko.
Maar kutje te willen hoe het te krijgen. Ik eigenlijk een heel kutje. Gaan we maar geweldig maar laatje en heel wat. En de dogs kun je maar ha.
Maar daar zie ik wat. Zeg het het nieuwe week het al steeg in Noordkach Leone. Zijn dus een beetje terug als in de tagartje show. Zeg het wat zeg kan je kijken en heel als we kindje verschillende tagartje hoe de Leone. Ja wel zeg het er je wat met dat kistje had ook Hofland is had kaarstelen naar stoelen. Toch laat de fijn paragorm chili en listen.
Then, all too soon, it's time to head back to the coast and the strange familiarity of Donegal Airport. As the plane takes off, the landscape revealed below is strikingly reminiscent of the Hebrides. The knowledge that the people below also speak with shared sounds and rhythms, even though the words may not always be the same, underlines the value of strengthening links between these communities. And as the plane comes into Benbecula, thoughts are already turning to how best to reciprocate the kind hospitality shown, in a properly Gaelic manner, when the islands host a return visit from Ireland.
Sinead?